In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Roblox settings. Whether you're encountering issues or simply want to start fresh, resetting your settings can be a straightforward fix. So, let's dive right in to ensure that you can get back to enjoying your Roblox experience without a hitch. First and foremost, you need to ensure that you're logged into your Roblox account. This step is crucial because you'll need direct access to your account to make any changes. Once you're logged in, open up your Roblox account. You can do this on Windows or through your browser, just like I do. Either option works perfectly fine, so feel free to use whichever is most convenient for you. Now, from here, you'll want to go into Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio is where you'll be able to reset your settings. Once you have Roblox Studio open, navigate to the File menu located in the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Settings. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to confirm this action. Simply click OK to proceed. Within the Settings window, you will find an option in the lower left corner that says Reset All Settings. Clicking this button will reset the Roblox application settings on your device. This is usually all it takes to resolve most issues related to your settings. However, if for any reason this doesn't work, there's an alternative method you can try. And don't worry, it's also quite simple. For this next step, you'll use the Run dialog box on your Windows computer. To open it, press the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard simultaneously. This action will bring up the Run dialog box. In this box, type App Data and hit Enter. This command will lead you to the App Data folder. Within this folder, locate the Roblox application. Once you've found it, navigate to the folder labeled Versions or Configs. These folders contain the data that needs to be cleared in order to reset your Roblox settings completely. Select all the files within these folders and proceed to clear them. By doing this, you effectively remove all stored settings data, which resets the Roblox application to its default state. This method is a bit more hands-on but can be especially effective if the initial steps didn't solve your issue. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to resetting your Roblox settings. Following these steps should help get everything back on track. Remember to always ensure you're logged in and try these methods whenever you encounter setting issues with Roblox. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.